On our path to identifying top IDOs which could give investors returns in excess of 5x or 10x, today we have landed on one of the projects which is getting launched on the CDFI launchpad. Now, if you are an investor, this is one project which you should definitely keep an eye on. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about the project and also why we are so bullish about it.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our community. It's absolutely free of cost. If you want to participate in these IDOs as a private investor, we have a premium group for that. So you can reach out to me on Telegram and I can share more details on it as well. So without further delay, let's jump on to the project that we are going to cover today. And the project is called Last Survivor. So Last Survivor is a play to earn NFT game. It's also in the Metaverse category based on the Binance Smart Chain, and the goal of the players is to be the last one to survive on the battlefield. As the name suggests, it's very clear that the whole idea of this game is that you will be engaged in a war. It could be a one-on-one war, it could be a duo war, could be a team war, and your end goal is to stay till the last. It's as simple as that. And this game will be launched across Android, iOS and on PC. Now if I have to talk about the gameplay very quickly, then there are multiple modes of the gameplay. For example, there is a solo battle where you will have only one life and you need to defeat others. Then there's a duo battle where you can partner and you can fight others. Then there's a squad battle where you need to play as a team and defeat others. And of course there is a custom battle where you will be playing and split into two teams and you will be playing, and then of course you can connect with other players in the group as well. As a stepping stone for this game, all players who enter the game for the first time will have 3 free fighters. You will get these fighters without paying any fee, and with these players also you will be able to interact with other players in the community as well. Now apart from this, there will be some elite players in the game as well, which you need to buy using the tokens. Which token we should be using and whatnot, that will come to in the later part of this video. Now what are some of the avatars that are mentioned here? They are the Destroyer, the Flaskman, the Tanker and the Harmony. Apart from this, also there will be multiple other players or upskilled players available to purchase. Now as I mentioned, this also involves an NFT. So as war game, you can obviously buy weapons, but apart from this you can also buy skins, you can also buy accessories of your players, and you can upskill the players, and you can do that by going to the marketplace. The marketplace will be launched very shortly as well. Now this is something very interesting which I have found out about this project. It's called NFT lands. Basically the concept is simple. You can buy lands on the metaverse and it could be used to create maps like arenas. And here comes the interesting part. The DAO community will vote on this map. Now if your map design is chosen and is successful, you can then rent this map to earn profit of each battle royale when player uses to join your map. So basically what you're doing is you're not only contributing in increasing your income, but you're also contributing to the game in itself, right? Basically you are designing something, you are owning a piece of land, and for players to use that land, you will be able to earn some income from it. Now this is only one of the many use cases which I have come across from the lands that we may own in the metaverse. If you want to know some of the other use cases or how to buy land on the metaverse, in the comments below just comment land, and in our next videos I'll prepare a detailed guide on how to purchase land and what are some of the use cases of the lands in the metaverse. Now coming back to the token utilities, there are two kinds of tokens that are available. One is the LSC token and the other one is the LSG token. Now what are the use cases for this? The LSC is the governance token. It would be used for tournaments, NFT marketplace, special events, staking and user reference as well. However, the LSG is the reward token and you can actually win battles to earn it, right? You can quest something, you will be able to win it. There will be guild wars, there will be ranking rewards, battle passes and many other tournaments as well. Now what are the ways to utilize these tokens? LSC tokens will be used to upgrade the fighters, buy fighter chest, buy NFT fighters, NFT items, NFT lands on the marketplace as well. Now what are the use cases for the LSG token? The LSG tokens will again be used for upgrading the fighter, so you can upgrade the fighter using both of these tokens. Then of course you will be able to buy a fighter chest. This token will also be used to reward to streamers. So if you are going live and you are playing this game and you are streaming while playing this game, so you might be rewarded. That is also something that they have in their roadmap. Now of course if there's a bet on the matches, you will be rewarded with the LSG token from the Last Survivor ecosystem. Now coming to the tokenomics, the private investors will have about 18.44%. that is where we invest, and if you want to invest as private investors, feel free to reach out to us. Mind you, the private investing round for Last Survivor is over, but for other very interesting projects we are still open to new members, and if you want to contribute you can reach out to me on my Telegram. It is given in the pinned comments. Likewise, for the public there will be a 2.56% of allocation, for the teams and advisors 21%, and the most important part is that for farming and staking, right, you will be getting 41% of the total tokenomics out there. If I have to talk quickly about the roadmap, then Q2 of 2021 is when this game was conceptualized, and Q3 was mostly about the designing and the prototyping. Q4 of 2021 is where the most of the activities are taking place. For example, the strategic partnerships, the marketing, the listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, the beta testing, NFT selling and the NFT market release. Now Q1 of 2022 will have the NFT selling. The version 1 will be releasing on Android and iOS, and they will also be reaching out to some of the centralized exchanges for listing. Now this is going to be interesting. So if you're participating in the IDO, which is scheduled to happen in about 12 days from now, right, you need to hold on till the first quarter of 2022, and there could be some great rewards in store for you in terms of the price going higher, because if a certain coin is getting listed on a centralized exchange, then the visibility of that coin increases a lot. Now if I have to talk about the future roadmap, then for Q2 of 2022 there will be an upgrade to the version that they launch in Q1. There will be map leasing and guild creation. Q3 will have another upgrade. Then there will be some feature upgrades as well, and in Q4 there will be a NFT cross-chain marketplace that they are going to launch, which is going to be absolutely very essential, because in the future I strongly believe that cross-chain is going to be the one which is going to dominate the NFT marketplaces. Now if I have to talk very quickly about some of the partners that they have, like some of the partners includes the likes of CD5, which has been one of the most successful launch pads for gaming, and it is dedicated towards gaming. And there is partners like Engine Starter, Gem Capital, Seed Thrift and many others. So this gives us the confidence that this could be a very interesting project and we can see some great returns from it. Mind you, none of this is actually financial advice, and this is all for informing you guys about a new project which we believe can do exceedingly well in the near future. So if you like these kind of contents, please go to the comment section below and comment IDO. I will really appreciate, and I'll also appreciate if you smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button. And also most important thing is, if you care about your friends, if you care about your family, and if you care about crypto, then I request you to that you can share this video with your friends and family. This will help educate some other members in the crypto universe, and this is the wave that we are gonna grow. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.